Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the method on the Ibis Paint X application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because I have 100,000 subscribers. We are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and our growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my canvas, and if you want to set the method, click to the hand icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and if the force fade option is enabled, you can find the fourth option, the method, and here you can select the real time or the after. Just select one, for example the after, and that's it. You just selected the method of the timer. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.